What is up everyone? Welcome back to our channel.
This tutorial will guide you through the process of downloading and installing the Cursor AI code editor on Windows. The Cursor AI code editor is a powerful tool for developers, enhancing coding efficiency and productivity. Following the steps below will help you set up the editor quickly and easily. First, open your preferred web browser. Now type this website. Look for the download link for the Windows version of the code editor. Click on the download link to initiate the downloading process. Wait for the file to complete downloading, which may take a few minutes depending on your internet speed. Once the download is complete, open the Downloads folder in your computer. Find the Cursor AI installer file, which typically has a name like Cursor AI setup.exe. Double-click the installer file to start the installation process. If prompted by user account control, click Yes to allow the installer to make changes to your device. Follow the on-screen instructions like accept the license agreement, choose the installation directory, and click Install to proceed with the installation. Ensure that your Windows operating system is up to date to avoid compatibility issues. Check the system requirements for Cursor AI code editor on the official website before downloading. Consider bookmarking the Cursor AI website for future updates or resources. You have successfully downloaded and installed the Cursor AI code editor on your Windows system. This tool will help streamline your coding process and improve your development workflow. For further exploration, consider checking out additional features and settings with the Cursor AI code editor to optimize your coding experience.
If we've been helpful, kindly give us a thumbs up and don't forget to hit the subscribe and bell button for more contents. For any questions and suggestions, comment down below.